So this replaced the glass elevator. And at the top. Yeah, they have pay on this, but we can obviously go right through it.
See the Ford going by.
Definitely an upgrade to the old glass elevator.
I know. It used to run 66 seconds for a reason. It's just annoying that they have this padding on. What's your
This
opinion
is
on it?
much faster than the old elevator. Here, you can do the honors. Actually, let's get off here. I want to get internal car.
Okay. I'll film the internal cars with you. Hello. 6, yep. Okay, just making sure. Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
Yeah, about if he was saying about right here, this is where the original car was.
The original glass car?
Yep, the original glass car would have been right here.
Oh, okay. I'm wondering if this is the only one that's running the glass car.
I don't know, because there's 3 more right there.
Yeah.
Definitely a nice property.
It really is a